Okay, let's take a look at how to do problems with molarity. Remember that molarity, big M, is equal to moles over liters. So big M is equal to N. Little n is number of moles over liters. Now remember this formula because you might be asked to manipulate it to figure out any of these three variables depending on which two you're given. Let's take a look at the first example. We have 2 moles of sodium chloride. So 2 moles, my N equals 2 moles, in a total volume of 4 liters of solution. Okay. Calculate the molarity of this solution. Once again, we're given molarity is equal to the number of moles over liter. So big M is equal to the number of moles, which is 2 moles, over the liters of solution, which is 4. And this turns out to be 0.5 molar, or 0.5 moles per liter, the same thing. Let's look at the next example. How many moles of sodium chloride would I need to make a 2.5 molar solution with a total volume of 3 liters? So for this next one, I need to make, so my molarity, big M, is equal to 2.5, and the total volume is equal to 3 liters, and I'm asked to calculate the number of moles that I need. Okay. To figure that out, I go from this formula over here. So I'm given molarity is equal to number of moles over liter. I need number of moles, so I can isolate that by multiplying by the volume, both sides. Now that I know N is equal to molarity times the volume, I can substitute both of them. I have 2.5, and that is moles over liter. That's the definition of molarity, moles over liter, multiplied by the liters, which is 3. Make sure that you have the correct units. If this were in milliliters, we'd have to convert it to liters for this to work. And you get 7.5 moles. So this is how many moles I would need, moles of sodium chloride. Now if I were asked how many grams that is, then I would have to take it a step further and multiply it by the molar mass of sodium chloride to figure out the grams. But it doesn't ask me that at this point, so I'm going to stop with 7.5 moles. Okay, let's take a look in the next slide of a few more problems with molarity, a little more difficult.